How do people? Bit of a different one for you tonight. This is for the people more, you know, outside of Wonderland really. This weekend is what they call Bonfire Night or Guy Fawkes Night over here in the UK, or Wonderland as I call it, as we know. So tonight we're off to celebrate. Now it's a strange one really. There's a strange bit of history behind it. What it is, Guy Fawkes was a guy, pardon the pun. Guy Fawkes was a man, basically a political activist, and him and a few guys got together and tried not threatened, tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament in London. Now they got the gunpowder underneath in the tunnels and stuff like that. They got the gunpowder all there ready to blow, and they got caught. Now I should have done a bit of research really before I did this video, but hey, it's Dr. Dens, and I just thought bollocks, it weren't planned. I just thought I'd just do it and tell you a little bit of history. So yeah, basically Guy Fawkes got collared in that, and he became a terrorist in the end of it, a terrorist. So for some strange reason, over here in Wonderland in the UK, we celebrate this act of terrorism. Don't know why, it's an unusual thing, but this is what we do. So tonight, to keep in traditions, we're taking the kids to go and celebrate Guy Fawkes the terrorist. And, you know, show a bit of fire, a bit of burnage and fireworks going off. So I will come back to you later on. You can hear a couple of things going off here and there. They go off over here. It's a lot like your Thanksgiving and that, I suppose, really, you know. 4th of July type things, you know, it's that type of do. But it's a good night. I also used to enjoy it as a kid. I used to make bonfires on spare land and stuff like that, but you can't really do that. Oh, they're going off at the back of me there, can you see? They're going off. You see, this will go on all night long now, will this? It is a good celebration, and I think in Wonderland we're a bunch of miserable bastards and we don't have enough parties and celebration. Big shout out to Keep Stun for the cat, mate. Thank you very much, sir. Nicely. Bit of LS, or LS, however you want to say it. But yeah, so we're going to take the kids to a bonfire, show them what's going on. So when I get there, I'll come back to you. There's not much going off at the minute, but when we get there we'll try and show you lighting at fire and stuff like that. Well, that's what I was saying, we used to build bonfires on wasteland and stuff when we were young and have a good laugh, and obviously as we got to his teenage years, smoke around bonfire and things like that. But I think you get done now if you start building fires and things on, can you see it? Not very big ones, just a few going. It's just going dark here now. What time is it? It's just after 5 o'clock PM in Wonderland. So as it gets darker and darker, it will be out. Yeah, right people, I'll come back to you in a bit and hopefully show you fire lighting, if not a firework display. Right people, back to you soon. Ta-ra. Hello people, we're back again. I've just done a great little bit of research. It's fairly interesting really. Guy Fawkes, and I think there are about 4 of them. Again, this is coming back to the history. Got caught and got sentenced to be undrawn and quartered. They did. And what happened with Guy Fawkes is I don't know whether they're gonna hang him or gonna quarter him or whatever, but it must be done a platform high up, because he jumped to his death before they actually had a chance to hang him or do whatever they were going to do with him. So a bit of history there for the people out in the US of A and Canada and various other parts of the world. You know, you don't usually get this from cannabis vloggers, do you? So a bit of history coming out from Wonderland. Guy Fawkes, go and look him up. But yeah, I'll be back at you later on with the fire lighting and some fireworks. Right, back at you people. Ta-da. We're back again people, so a quick one. I'll show you around what's going on. Now, like I say, this is Wonderland and this is Bonfire Night. I'm just showing a bit of a history video for you here. People over here. Fire down cool stuff. Over there. Full fair and stuff for kids. You know what I mean? It's see, that is the... I'll move it back now, I bet we're not. Right, yeah, so as you can see there, we just plodding about. I've just did a couple of mates, I'll go and say hello to them. But about 6 o'clock, fire will get going and stuff like that, so I'll come back to you with that. See you in a bit. We're back again, people. I was just talking to my good friend, the local historian, Mr. Slade, of the people who live around my local area of Wonderland. If you could say hello, Mr. Slade, this is a good friend of mine. I travelled around the world with my mate here. We went to Africa and everything, and he does like, you know, his history, don't you, Tom, really? You like it. So we all speak crap round here, and he's just been telling history.
You won't be able to tell what we're saying, though.
No. This is the thing, Tom, they don't. I'm about to go out to California, we don't have a clue. But again, people, I'm just going to swing it round. We were just saying to Tom there, and it's...
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, can we have a massive round of applause for our fire eaters?
It's like a real paganist type thing. When you look at what's going on, I'm looking across people, and it's like a real paganist type now. And Tom was just saying here, it's very similar to it. It was pagans, weren't it? And when it started coming into Christianity and all that coming in, wow, it pagans first.
Well, no, they coincided their festivals with pagan festivals. So they still had a bit of their own. So autumn solstice, burning Wicker Man and all that shit.
So it's a bit of a mix, isn't it, of like the Wicker Man. Again, I'll show you around and you'll see what I mean with paganist thing.
Sick guy on top, don't you?
There is a guy, it's called Guy Fawkes, and well, that's Guy Fawkes, isn't it? The terrorist, that's the burning of Guy Fawkes. I'll turn you back round so you can see.
That will be happening approximately 6:30.
It's got a real paganist feel to it. Oh, fucking... There we go. You see, it's got a real paganist type feel. This is old, you know, UK type history. This is a bit weird. That's why I'm doing this video. I just want to show you. Yeah. Right, again, I'll be back at you soon. Okay, up. Entertainment for you here. Hello, come here, up. Hold on a minute. Turn it round, you can see. I don't know what that's got to do with traditional bonfire art, but it's a bit of entertainment for kids, isn't it? It's a really good suit, really, that. It's not going anymore. Really cool, really, but there you go. Again, people, it's just a video. Get your joints, man, and chill out. Right, we're going to go and take kids to the fair and have a plod about and wander about. That's what we've come for, and I'm doing all this filming. It is. Say hello, Niall. Come on. Oh. I'm just looking here, it looks like they're just getting ready to light fire in a minute. I'll keep you posted when it does. Like I say, a bit boring for people that don't know what's good on over here in Wonderland, but for the people who aren't used to it, I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but you know, I'd love to know if it's anywhere else right. We're going
to start the bonfire, so if you want to do a countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He started the fire, the bonfire is now lit.
Like I say, it's a very paganist thing, it's a weird thing that we do over here on the land. We are strange people. It looks like this is going to take a hell of a long time to go up to this fire, but oh, here we go, they're putting a bit of petrol on. We'll be back at you in a minute. We'll come back round. Bit of prodigy in the house, people, let's have it. Fire starter. There we go. Garth Hawkes on the top there. He's a twisted fire starter. He's Garth Hawkes, that Garth Hawkes there. Sat there chilling out, in a blaze. Twisted fire starter. Sorry, I'm a bit quiet, people. It's just showing you what's going on over here in UK. This is Bonfire Night in November the 4th, I think, in it today. It's tomorrow is actually November, but here we go. The fire's getting going now. We're on it. I'll leave you to it. Bit of we'll be here all night with this way, so I'll come back when the fire gets proper wicking. I'll come back to you. It won't be long. You see now, people, fire's really going now. That's basically the symbolisation of anarchy in the UK. Yeah, Parliament. That's symbolising Parliament burning down. The Houses of Parliament. So remember, anarchy in the UK, people. That's what we celebrate today here. It's the party. Right. I'll quick turn around and I'll come back to the firework display and we'll wrap it up. Knock it up. You can see, people, it's very rolling. We've fairly got a fair good spot next to the fire. It's quite funny, really. Oh, wind's blowing it this way, so obviously it's absolutely fucking piping over this end of town. Certainly don't need your hat on. So, absolutely boiling hot. Is it hot, that Niall? Can you feel that? Back of my neck's absolutely burning here. It is absolutely blowing up. Paganistic fires, symbolisation of Parliament being burned down, people. There you go. We all love a bit of anarchy in his life, don't we? Right, I'll be back at you with firework display. See you in a bit. In and out that spot there. Oh, this is not very impressive, is it? But here we go. This is a wonderland for you. It's really going to get a little bit better, hopefully. There's music going on. There you go, people. A little bit better. Something like that. You can see me there. As you can see, this is what goes on in Wonderland. Of an evening, like I say, it's Garth Hawkes. That's a lot. Oh no, is it not? A bit more. We've got a bit more going on. It's not quite as exciting as you'd think, is it? But it just shows that this is what goes on in communities around Wonderland. At least it's good. I think it's a good thing that communities are actually getting together and doing these things together. You know what I mean? I think more communities should be out there and enjoying yourself. So just make a joint, chill out, and I'll turn you back to the fireworks, people. You know. A bit crappier than what I thought, people. Right, on that note, I will leave you to it. You enjoy, people, whatever you're smoking, eating, talking. Please keep your medicine flowing. This is an unusual one coming from Doctor. Just a bit of history for the other people that live outside of Wonderland. Right, people, you enjoy yourself. Stay safe. Okay. Oh, it's kicking off there. I'll leave it a bit longer. Let it go on a bit more. Not bad, is it? It's not bad, is it, for an evening? Know what I mean? I'll leave it a little bit longer for you. Oh, bit of break dancing going on, down there. I missed it. Absolutely covered in crap. Break dancing on floor. Having it, people. Here we go. Like I say, it's nice just to have a community feel going on. Right, people. It's not as exciting as people. On that note, enjoy yourself, people. And one love. Stay safe. Take care.